Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a triple citrus chicken wrap. In the Ziploc bag, I have a 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast that I've either cut in half or pounded a little flatter with a meat mallet. To that, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of orange juice, and then roughly about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of minced garlic to go along with that. And then you want to get about 2 tablespoons of lime juice in there. Now you want to add the zest of 1 lemon, 1 lime, and 1 orange. Then you want to eyeball in roughly 2 teaspoons of honey. Again, if it's a little bit more, it's not going to matter. There's so much acid that it'll counteract the sweetness. So eyeball about 2 teaspoons of honey. And then you want to add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Then you want to basically seal the bag by kind of rolling it around, or closing it up, getting as much air out as possible, moving things around, making sure everything's evenly coated. And then you want to put this in the refrigerator for no less than 3 hours or up to overnight. All right, while this is marinating, I guess get the grill ready and let's go. See you at the next step. All right, the chicken is grilling away, and I'm going to attempt to do something like a jackass, which is flip the chicken while I'm holding the camera. This is not one of my brighter ideas. Well, you can see chicken's kind of cooking along nicely. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes aside. Use a meat thermometer to make sure it's reached 160. Okay, let's start assembling our wrap. With a standard burrito tortilla shell that you've heated up in the microwave for about 30 seconds, add some mayonnaise. To taste, up to you, or you can add mustard, whatever topping you like, but I just went with mayo. And before we really get into it, I gotta say, this chicken is absolutely delicious, and you can use it on anything. The chicken is good on its own. So you don't actually have to make this, or this could easily be turned into tacos or fajitas, or trust me, next time you're doing chicken, follow this recipe. You will not be disappointed. As you can see here, we put down a little bit of chicken, then a little bit of iceberg lettuce, just a little bit. Little bit of salami, just for a little bit of spiciness and saltiness. But yeah, trust me, this chicken recipe is fantastic. And then some cheddar cheese. And of course, what do I say every single goddamn sandwich needs? Pickles. I don't care if it's a sandwich or a wrap. If it doesn't have pickles on it, it's going to be garbage. Great, now that I'm editing this video, I want to make that chicken again. Trust me, it's really fucking good. And then some tortilla strips. You can find these in, like, wherever the crouton section is in your grocery store. Or you can substitute them for wonton strips. Totally up to you. And a little bit of alfalfa sprouts on the side. All right, and then just do the best you can, rolling this thing around. Kind of an art form. And that's really it. Chicken citrus wrap. Almost done. Let's get the pull apart shot. And there you go. Should be looking at something like that. So, that is a triple citrus chicken wrap. Done.